We're in unprecedented times. Part shortages and labour constraints are overwhelming supply chains in every industry. At NewStream, we understand the concerns of our clients. Uptime and customer satisfaction are of the utmost importance. Our teams are positioned to turn customer problems into profit with teamwork, flexibility and reliability. The QLS Sensor Assembly project is a great example of this flexibility and adaptability for the customer. In March, a customer approached our team regarding major issues obtaining QLS sensors from their current supplier.
Without the reman program from NewStream, we were looking at a significant shortfall in the supply of QLS sensors.
Typical in today's climate, the manufacturer was unable to keep up with current demand, causing a massive shortage. Our employee owners were more than happy to help provide a solution by producing the sensors in-house.
We were faced with this problem. We started thinking about what suppliers that we could leverage that have the flexibility, the reliability, and just can take a concept and move it forward into something real. And so NewStream was one we thought of immediately.
In collaboration with the current vendor and customer, equipment arrived at NewStream June 14th. Employees were trained, PPAP was approved, and within only 3 days, the team shipped our first unit.
In a very short order compared to what it could have taken. And so just great collaboration and flexibility is really what NewStream brought to the table. And even out of the box thinking. There was times that NewStream would challenge us on, hey, have you thought about doing it this way? And we hadn't. And so that was a great innovation and collaboration they truly brought to it.
Just 7 weeks later, NewStream was producing 600 sensors a day, 180 above the original plan.
If we look at the numbers delivered to date, you've currently made 27,000 QLS sensors and supplied them to us. That means there's 27,000 trucks, school buses, vans, emergency vehicles that are on the road today that wouldn't be on the road had we not received those sensors from NewStream. So but the impact to North America and North American customers has been absolutely dramatic. One of the things that was particularly attractive to us about NewStream is NewStream's flexibility. And we set a stretch goal. I think we started out at 2,100 a week as a goal. We stretched that to 3,000 a week, and NewStream rose to it. And because of that, people got on the road quicker.
As well as immediately alleviating the customer supply chain constraints, this QLS sensor project is a perfect representation of NewStream's ability to collaborate with the customer, to be flexible with a quick time frame, and reliable by meeting and exceeding the expectations.
Really what NewStream has been able to help us set up is a sustainable, ongoing operation beyond what our immediate needs were. And so I think there's a huge benefit to that for the longevity of working together.